Hello and welcome to the Solent Charlotte Mason channel, set up for British home educators to learn about Charlotte Mason's educational philosophy and her methods, and to learn about how you could implement some of her ideas into your home education here in the UK in the 21st century. I'm so pleased you found me. My name is Edwin, and I would like to be your guide, your philosopher and your friend as we take a tour through my library of living books, everything from science to poetry, from music to geology, from history to engineering. We have this incredible privilege as educators using Charlotte Mason's methods to let the books do the talking, and I would like to read from as many books as possible on this channel to illustrate to you what this can look like for you in your family and how you can do this too. So take a look around my channel. There will be new videos appearing every week. There is a subscribe button that you can click on so that you'll be notified of any new content. I hope to join you here as often as possible. That is when I've battled through the laundry, the lesson plans and the storytelling that happens in my own home. I'm looking forward to sharing my experiences with you and helping you get started on your journey. So without further ado, let's get stuck in.